Sending a circuit board to fabrication and have an MFG manufacturing file. This contains the production data for PCB manufacturers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these PCB manufacturing design files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single, powerful MFG file inspection tool. An MFG file is a manufacturing assembly file created by PTC Creo, formerly ProR Engineer, a suite of CAD, CAM, CAE software. Engineers and designers use this file to define the manufacturing process for a 3D model, including toolpaths, machining operations, and assembly steps for computer-aided manufacturing, CAM. The MFG format is a proprietary binary file designed to store complex manufacturing data with high precision. It contains references to 3D part and assembly models, PRT, ASM, along with specific CAM instructions. This binary structure is optimized for performance and data integrity, essential for complex industrial applications. For MFG, begin with EDA tools and proceed from there. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows can't show full mesh resolution, so a complete look requires 3D CAD or visualization software. To resolve this, right-click your MFG file and choose Open With. Pick an app that fits the file's category. EDA Tools is a general bucket. Then test other options until it opens. If the MFG file is still giving you trouble, relax. Due to the specificity of the MFG format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, opening in EDA Software. Identify the source EDA tool used to create the MFG file based on context or file name. Open in the corresponding software, like Altium Designer, Cadence, Allegro, or Mentor Expedition. The application displays manufacturing data with full inspection and modification capabilities for design verification. Next, viewing with CAM350. Use CAM350, a PCB manufacturing analysis tool, to inspect MFG files. The application provides comprehensive design rule-checking, layer comparison, and manufacturing simulation. CAM engineers use CAM350 to verify designs meet manufacturing capabilities before production tooling and fabrication. Finally, sending to Fabricator. Send the MFG file directly to your PCB fabricator, who has appropriate tools for processing manufacturing data. Most fabricators accept various manufacturing formats, including MFG files, and convert them to their internal production systems. Verify format compatibility with your specific manufacturer before sending design files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.